Hello, welcome to the study of OD. We are looking at subtopic called linear second order difference equation with constant coefficient. Mostly, this is done in third year of the university, and it is OD1 or ordinary difference equation 1. So here we are given second derivative of y with respect to x plus 4, first derivative of y with respect to x plus 4, y is equal to 0. So here we expect our solution to be of this the form y is equal to c1 exponential mx plus c2x exponential mx. So you can call this equation 1. You let your y to be equal to exponential m. Then you get your y prime. You differentiate this, which will give you m exponential mx. You differentiate this twice, y double prime, which will give you m squared exponential mx. You call this number 2. So you substitute 2 in 1. We do exactly like that. Where you have double prime, you are going to substitute it with m squared. So you have m squared exponential mx plus 4m exponential mx plus 4 exponential mx, which is equal to 0. From here, we can see exponential mx is common, so you factor it out. Factoring exponential mx out, it will give you the following result. You shall here be left with the m squared plus 4m plus 4, which is equal to 0. Now, exponential, note this that exponential mx can never be equal to 0, meaning that now our quadratic part is the one which is equal to 0. So m squared plus 4m plus 4 is the one which is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation here whereby our product is equal to 4, our sum is equal to 4. So for two numbers, which when you multiply, you get 4, it is 2 and 2, and which when you want, you get 4, it is 2 and 2. So this quadratic equation can be factorized as m plus 2 into bracket m plus 2, which is equal to 0, which implies that you have our m1, which is equal to m2, which is equal to -2. So our solution will be y is equal to c1 exponential -2x plus c2x exponential -2x. That is our solution. We can check, so we want to check whether this is correct. How do we check? We are given this y double prime plus 4y single prime plus 4y is equal to 0. So our objective is to find y single prime from this, which will give you -2c1 exponential negative 2x minus, not minus, plus, the first one will be plus c2 exponential negative 2x minus 2 c2x exponential negative 2x. Then you also obtain y double prime. This will give you 4 c1 exponential negative 2x minus 2 c2 exponential negative 2x then minus 2 c2 exponential negative 2x plus 4 c2 exponential negative 2x. Note that this one, I can simplify it with, or we can simply write them here. So y is equal to c1 exponential negative 2x plus c2x exponential negative 2x. Y single prime is equal to, here you have negative 2c1 and this one, which will give you negative c1 exponential negative 2x minus 2c2x exponential negative 2x. Then y double prime is equal to, here you have 4 minus 2, which will give you 2, then minus this other 2 here, minus this other 2 here. This is x, sorry. So let me check here. So this is 4, which is okay. Negative 2, which is okay also. This is negative 2, yeah. So this is 4 minus that, minus that. So y double prime will give you just 4. This will give you 4c2 x exponential negative 2x. So our equation is this: y double prime minus plus, sorry, 4 y single prime plus 4y, which is equal to 0. So we substitute and see whether we are going to obtain our solution. So you have negative, not negative, you have 4 c2x exponential negative 2x. Then when you substitute here, you are going to have then there is this 4. So 4 times c1, we will get negative 4 c1 exponential negative 2x. Then you have this 4 times 2, negative 2, which will give you negative 8 c2x exponential negative 2x. Then plus this 4 times c1, which will give you 4 c1 exponential negative 2x. Then plus 4 c2x exponential negative 2x. This will give you what? So let us see. You have 4 minus 8, which is negative 4, plus 4, which is equal to 0. Then we have negative 4, and this other part here, which is 4. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, implying that our working is correct, and this is our solution. This is our solution of that given second order ODE. So thanks so much for standing with me. For more examples, kindly tune to my YouTube channel so that we may continue learning together. If you have not yet subscribed, consider to do so that we may continue learning.